Good morning once again. Today I'm gonna tell you what your assignment is. This is actually week 3, not week 2, but week 3, August 30 to September 3. So I'm gonna tell you the first 5 minutes will be the do now. So when you click the do now, the question is name the body systems that are involved if you go swimming. So what body systems? Is it skeletal system, digestive system, nervous system, or what kind of system? And what parts of the body are involved when you go swimming? So answer it back and do it. Next one, when we go back, the next activity is I have given you a chart about the body system, so you will be able to study it. You can just study individually, you can read it, the system, its function, the diagram of that system, the major organs involved, and the interactions working with other systems. So because this is a system, our body is working hand in hand with the other systems. They don't work by themselves. They coordinate, they relate, they connect to other systems as well. Just like a teamwork. When you play volleyball, when you play football or basketball or any sports, you must do the teamwork, right? Just like these human body systems. So we do this teamwork. Digestive system, like we take in food through a mouth. Ingestion, another word for that is ingestion, and we digest the food into into smaller molecules and absorb the nutrients. Then when it's already absorbed in our stomach, small intestine, large intestine, there's a removal of this undigestible food from the body, which what we call feces. Alright, so all of this can be found here. I would like you to just study by yourself: circulatory system, nervous system, excretory system, respiratory, skeletal, muscular, endocrine, immune system, integumentary, lymphatic, reproductive system. And all of those I will be discussing in detail as we go along. And your assignment for today is about this body system worksheet. As you can see here, just click this link and it will take you to this body system worksheet. So based on the presentation by your teacher and the chart explain or describe the following body systems. You can write the function and major organs involved, okay, in each of the systems. So say for example skeletal system, what's the function? So just write it there, the functions and the major organs involved. So skeletal, start with skeletal system. So just look at your sheet wherein you have this sheet. You can look at this chart here and you may answer, turn it in. Be sure to make a copy. How? You click this file here at the upper left hand side, make a copy, and then you can write your last name here. Okay, example, my last name is Atupan, so you write your last name so it will be easier, and the title of the worksheet, and click OK. And now you can type in here. Submit it before 11:59 due date today. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye. If you have any questions, don't forget to email me. My email address is jerlene.atupan@fcsc.k12.ar.us. Do not email the other Atupan that you can see there. That's not me. My name starts with letter J. Okay, Jerlene Atupan. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.